I don't know how to start this without sounding insane, so I'll just start where my thoughts keep looping. There is a smell I only notice in December. Not pine, not cinnamon, something underneath. Cold, metallic, like air that's been sealed away too long. Every year, when the heat kicks on for the first time, I smell it again, and my stomach drops before I even know why. I used to think everyone felt this way around Christmas, that low-level dread people joke about. Seasonal depression, family stress. But it's not that. It's recognition. I've been rereading old journals. Diaries, notes, fragments, grocery lists with sentences scribbled in the margins. Things like, "Don't forget what you heard. Ask him again. He keeps changing the order. Why was the door locked?